Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to safely open an eye drop container and puncture the seal with the built-in pin so you can easily use the eye drop. Let's get started. So this is an eye drop bottle. First, make sure your hands are clean and dry. Now, let's remove the plastic seal on the cap. So when you try to open, there is a seal that surrounds the cap and it breaks open. Once you open it, you can throw out the seal. Then next, you noticed a small pin located inside the plastic cap. I don't know if you can see it. This pin is designed to puncture the tip of the eye drop bottle when you close it back. So this is it. When you align it and close the bottle, you twist it until you feel the pin puncture the seal. Make sure it's secure tightly. And there you have it. Your eye drop is already punctured. Now let's see. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and share. See you next time.